Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I have a tip for you. If you have a kitchen counter that is made out of a formica material like I have, and you'd like to improve it to a marble or a ceramic, I have something to show you. On the table here that I use for cooking on a regular basis, this was a formica table, and I went to the local tile store and I found 30 by 30 inch square tiles that are concrete look-alike. They're nice and hard and used for cooking, cutting. I can wash them and they'll be antibacterial because I can get them clean without worrying about them staining. Now for your kitchen counter, here's a heavy one to show you. This is a 24-inch square piece of a ceramic marble look-alike. And all I'm going to do with these is just set it on top of my kitchen counter to the left and to the right of my sink. And then I'll be able to use this to cook on, cut on. It'll be nice to wash, and it'll wash right into the sink. So I paid about a little less than 20 bucks a piece for each one of these pieces. And of course they have many purposes that you can use. I bought one and I put it on the floor and I put a plant on top of it, and that way the plant doesn't discolor the carpet. So there's your tip for the day. Thanks for stopping by the Diabetic Diet Show. Don't forget, click on the bell so that when we drop a new video you'll see it and be notified. Also subscribe so you can see all of our videos. Thanks again.